Here in Silver Spring, Maryland, this member reported having large sections of shingles coming off. The shingle is an architectural shingle, which should take north of 100-mile-an-hour winds. As you can see, she has major issues going on here. Big areas buckling, large area completely sliding off of the roof. The roof is only 2 years old, just recently installed. Let's figure out why this would be happening. First thing that's glaringly obvious is the nailing pattern. As you can see, you've got a nail here, and you have a nail here on this shingle. First of all, I'm counting 4 nail holes. Architectural shingle, there should be 6 nail holes on each shingle. Also, as you can see, the shingle is high nailed. Basically, this nail should be down in this location, and what that'll do is when you put the next shingle on top and you nail on that same location, it will also grab this shingle, which in essence you'd have 12 nails in each shingle. You have one here, 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 here. Your next set of shingles should add another here, 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 and here, which will give you 12 nails. The only thing holding this roof together is the adhesive. Holding the shingles together. As you can see, it's apparent from this shingle here, this is a Certainty landmark shingle, is the lack of nails. 4 nails would be acceptable in a 3-tab, but not an architectural. And as you can see, by the shingles being high nailed, you've got a nail here, nail here. If this nail was lower, you'd have 12 in each one, or at least 8 in each one. If you're going to do it wrong, at least do it better than completely wrong.